I would start another vlog. Probably gonna be a few days. I got in some packages that I kind of just wanted to open up with you. Got in this huge package from Hero Cosmetics and I have no idea what it is. So we're gonna open it up, figure it out. Whoa, totally not expecting this. Oh my God, so cool. So here is the package. This is to the rescue. Oh, I love these little stickers. I think I'm gonna put these on my computer. Real, not perfect. And then this one says show them who you are. On my old MacBook, I have all of these stickers, you know, over the years. Breonna Taylor, voting, be kind to yourself, UCLA. So I think I'm gonna add this one here somewhere. I also love this one, like real, not perfect. Love that. Okay, let's get to the meat of the actual package. I think I saw that they just came out with a body line. This is actually perfect for me because I really struggle with back knee. I know it's kind of like shitty and maybe not many people talk about it, but I have a few acne body washes, so I'm excited to see if these work. So it seems like they came out with Power Wash and it has PHAs, which I love. This one has zinc, AHAs, and once over toner. It's a mineral melt. Okay, yeah, this is a moisturizer. And then there's a deep scrub. Ooh, each product will be $15. This has already launched on their website, so I will link all of these products down below. I'm very excited about this actually. This is actually the perfect product for me. I feel like I love Hero Cosmetics so much just because they just get it. Like they get me to a T. They sent this little bath towel, which is super cool. Could always use more towels. Okay, that was a fun little package. I honestly was not expecting that. I love when I get unexpected packages. A few other things that I got, I'll show you guys this. I just got this from Shopbop. So in the last vlog, I was saying how I wanted to get my ear pierced. And so I think I'm still gonna do that. I don't know if I'm gonna film it in this vlog or if it's gonna be a new vlog. I'm not sure yet. But I do wanna get a third hole, and then I may want to get like a cartilage ear piercing or something over here. I got this cute little earring set. I will link this down below. The brand is called Shashi. So freaking cute. They're like 3 little clusters of stars. It would look so cute, kind of like in that corner right here on my ear. So I got those. These were super affordable. If you have Amazon Prime, they ship in like 2 days. I love free shipping or like, you know, quick shipping. I am going to get back to work answering emails. I have some work emails that just came through, my actual 9 to 5, and some other emails for YouTube. If you guys are new here, I have a real job. I work 9 to 5 and I do advertising for a agency. Really fun. I actually just got promoted a few months ago. Obviously, like my responsibility is kind of the same, but like I just need to show up a little bit more, you know? So I've been trying to be really focused on that. That obviously takes up a lot of my time. I just try to make YouTube work wherever I have free time. I need to get back to answering emails. A dentist appointment tomorrow also, which I'm not excited about. I had to set it up because I was just like, you know what, I need to stop putting this off. It's like actually insane. Like I just need to get done. I know I have a lot of work to do. Don't judge me, dentist. I have not been to the dentist in a long time. Just tell me what I need to get fixed and fix it. And let's move past it. Tell me how much it costs. Put me to sleep if I need to. Like, let's just do it. And that's how I feel about that.
I'ma treat their love as like ice. Smoke them up and leave them, changing with the seasons. But you know that shit ain't my style. I just want the OG, it's always been it for me. Yeah, you saw me when nobody would, and he loved me good, through the bad and the ugly.
It's the next day. I have just been working away all morning. It's about 11:30. Made my coffee. I had to heat it up again just because I was dealing with some fires and some deadlines that were not met. Now things are just getting pushed back. It's just really stressful, like dealing with deadlines and having to get things done but then being behind. So I kind of have to shift everything because we're not exactly where I thought we would be today. It is what it is when you're working with other people and, you know, things are kind of not on you. You kind of just have to like roll with the punches. I've been working on pushing back my schedules. We have a new campaign that's supposed to be launching in like 10 days that I'm supposed to get to our social team. I don't have the creative ready yet, so we're just really behind. So I'm trying to figure out how we're gonna like push things to the back end in terms of like schedule and production. So that's a lot of what I deal with, is just just like dealing with creative and making sure that we have what we need and actually producing the creative, getting it live on social, all that stuff. It's a lot. But I'm gonna do like maybe like a 25-minute workout. I just do Move with Nicole. I've mentioned this before. That's like the only workout program I really do. Pilates, I feel like, has really changed my outlook personally on working out. I just find it so fun. It's like easy. Like I can choose if I want to do a 5-minute workout, if I want to do a 10-minute workout, if I want to do 25 minutes, if I want to do an hour. And I love her programs because it's just like videos on YouTube, and she has different lengths, so you can pick like what you have time for. If you only have 5 minutes, you do a 5-minute ab workout. If you have an hour, you do an hour workout. It's really customizable. It's easy. It's on your computer. Put it out in front of my little mirror over there, and I just do my workout.
No, I'm not a saint. Is anybody these days? Oh, I've been a liar. Pointed a finger when I started the fire, and I've never been one to pray. I hope for someone like you after the hurt and the heartbreak. You made me believe in something new, baby, like sunrise, like Sunday faith washing over me after the hardest night. You're giving me reason to believe it's alright even when it's not. We don't have it all, but we've got a lot, so amen.
All right, this is a terrible angle, but I had to quickly finish my workout because I realized I was going to be a little bit late to my appointment if I tried to do my hair and all of that. So I just quickly
Turn right onto South.
excuse me, Siri. I just quickly laid my edges down because I was looking kind of crazy, and put on some extra skincare, brushed my eyebrows, and now I am off to the dentist. So like I said, I've been having like major anxiety about this. You guys, I haven't been to the dentist in like so long. One, because of like COVID, and you know, just having your mouth open is just like not the best in my opinion. But now that things are a little bit more controlled, people are vaccinated, I feel less anxiety about it. But I'm still super nervous because like I said, I know I have a few cavities. I know I haven't gotten like a proper cleaning in a while. I just like, I don't know, the dentist always makes me feel kind of like ashamed and bad about my teeth. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is something that you guys experience. I've never gone to the dentist and had good news, I guess. And so maybe I just have an aversion to it because of that. Like I always feel like I'm going to be getting some type of bad news. I'm going to be told you don't floss enough, you don't take care of your teeth well enough. You know, like I just kind of am trying to avoid that, I think is what it is. So I'm really nervous, but it's just been too long that I haven't been. And now I'm just like experiencing things with some of my cavities that is just like not good. So I'm at the point where it's like, okay, I am just like, I need to be an adult. I need to suck it up, put my big girl pants on, and just go to the dentist, have them tell me the bad news, and let's fix it. Like nothing is not fixable. And I feel like before, like in college, I never went really because to pay for everything myself. And so I knew like any work that I had to get done was gonna cost money, and dental work is not cheap, you guys. Like my mom got me braces in, I believe, high school, and it was really expensive even on her. Now that I have a little bit more money, I feel like, okay, I have money saved. If I have any work done, you know, that's what an emergency fund is for things like this when, you know, emergencies come up or you need medical care or anything. So I'm really happy that I've built up enough of a nest egg so that I feel less stress about going to the dentist. So that's how I feel. That's where I'm at. I get more nervous the closer that I get. So we'll see. We'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know what happens, what I'm told. I know I'm gonna have to go back a lot of times, so this will be a multi-step update, I feel like, on my teeth journey. So fingers crossed. All right, y'all. I wanted to regroup about the dentist appointment. I think last that I filmed, I went to the dentist and it was actually really good. She did a cleaning for me. We kind of talked about everything that I want to do. I do have to get a root canal, which is not going to be fun. So I have that set up for next Thursday. I have some like silver fillings from when I was younger that I just don't like the way that it looks in my mouth. Like whenever I have my mouth open, I'm like very self-conscious about that. So I want to get the like tooth colored fillings, so we're going to fix that. So I'm going in on Tuesday to do that, Thursday for the root canal, and then I'm gonna have to go back and get a crown, and then I'm gonna have to go back and do the other fillings. And then we're gonna do some stuff to like fix the coloring of my teeth, making them look prettier, fixing my gums, just a lot of things. And I really liked her because she like took the time to actually listen to like what I wanted to fix about my smile. Obviously she gave me like her Obviously, she gave me her professional opinion about like what she thinks I need to fix from like a dentist perspective. Obviously, that's why you go to the dentist. But she also listened to me and was like, okay, what are your main concerns? And she's like, okay, like we can fix that. Let's address the major things first, and then we can get to like fixing everything else. So I really appreciated that. She was so personable. Like, I'm just so happy that I found her and it was like a hit, like not a miss, because it's so hard to find a good dentist. I'm sure you guys know, like, it's just the hardest thing in the world. It's hard to find someone that's, like I said, not judgy, not gonna shame you, not gonna just make you feel like shit. So she was amazing. I'm so excited to like go in now and like get my teeth fixed and get them looking right. That's the whole story with the dentist. It's gonna be a whole journey. I cannot believe I have to get a root canal though. Like, budge. That is going to suck.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Batman, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga.
My friend Andrea just left. We had like a whole little night, just ordered Thai food, drank some wine, we watched some HBO Max. I wanted to end off this vlog on a high note because I got a package in, ordered some boots for fall. Oh no, actually this is from the Real. They're really cute boots. I bought them secondhand. First pair of like designer shoes. Oh my God. Tyler's gonna come out and be like, don't worry, they were on sale. Very affordable compared to like...
What, like $300?
No, $180.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay,
Tyler, literally you guys should have seen Tyler's face. He came out and heard me say Jimmy Choo designer, and he came out. No, this was Tyler's face, guys.
I didn't walk like that.
That was Tyler's face when he heard me say designer and Jimmy Choo.
First I heard Real, Jimmy Choo.
Aren't they cute? They're like, okay, these are like classic real leather.
Oh, these are nice.
They're real leather. They're used.
Yeah, I mean,
they're like secondhand. They're not too high. I got them one size up. Oh my God. They're so comfy. These are perfect. You know me. They're tiny.
Yeah, it's cute.
Why did you come out and like, what was your initial thought?
I was like, did she seriously just buy some $600 shoes?
Really?
Yes. Because Jimmy, like, you said Jimmy Choo, and I'm like, okay, those are like $600. And then you said boots, which are probably more because it's more material.
These are so cute, you guys. Look at that.
Gosh.
I know. I'm literally gonna wear these all fall. They're super comfy. They don't have a tall heel. I literally don't even feel like having boots on. Look at that. Oh my God. These are so cute. Oh my God, I am obsessed with these. They're definitely on the like longer side on the front, but they're very comfortable, like 3.5 heel, 3.5 inch. They are a little bit pointed, but I figured, I mean, this outfit, you guys, are you kidding? Unreal. This outfit is like killer. I'm kidding, but I thought these boots would be so cute for fall. And I needed a pair of black boots because I don't have any. These were super affordable compared to what I could buy brand new. And I figured I could invest in like some nicer designer shoes secondhand, justified these in some way, but I think they're super cute. So those are the shoes. I love them, especially with this outfit. All right, guys, I'm going to revel in these shoes. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Definitely a random little vlog, but I'm glad I captured a lot of like special moments. I'm off for the next 4 days, so I will start another vlog. There will be a lot more fun videos coming out, so stay tuned. Hope you guys are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.
Let's have a good